1, 2, 3. Welcome to Hong Kong.
Hi Taya, where are you going? Again, where are you going to?
To Hong Kong
Disneyland.
Disneyland.
Because?
Jing ma'am naman sa Disneyland po.
Birthday.
The birthday ko kasi
Apo, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Swimming goodbye.
Paladan. Ito po yung bagong ano labas pala? Ano to sa? Pupunta na po tayo.
Hi Taya. Again, where are you going again? Where are you going? To Disneyland.
Pagalit na eh.
Ayun, tanong na ako na. Sorry. Taya, where are you going?
To Hong Kong Disneyland.
Good job, Taya. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yay! Thank you po. Sino may birthday?
Ako.
Happy birthday, Taya.
Happy birthday sa'yo.
By pulling off the buckle strap to unfasten lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is switched on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop off the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with a headband pointed around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Keep on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tabs to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you're at the exit, as this may slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest is an oral tubes for further inflation. The light comes on upon contact with water. And here is a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on this aircraft are located. They're being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, please keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to the emergency exit are requested to study the operation of this exit and the safety information card. Should you need to rise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of this device is regarded on the equipment itself. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight, and smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Tampering with the smoke detector is punishable by law. Thank you for your attention.
Bye-bye na. Bye-bye na. Bye. Ano? Ano yan? Ano yan? Wings ng airplane.
Dear guests, we have just landed at Hong Kong International Airport. The time now is 30 minutes past the hour of 5 in the afternoon. For your
We're here in Hong Kong
safety,
na.
remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead.
Touchdown Hong Kong. Touchdown Hong Kong. Hello. Here we are. Touchdown Hong Kong. Nasa Hong Kong na tayo. You have to speak English here. Hindi kasi may carpet. Ayun. Immigration. Let's go to immigration. Immigration na po kami. Okay, welcome back. Hong Kong International Airport. Ha? Welcome. 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Hong Kong.
2, 3.
Welcome to Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Saan na tayo, Papa? Baggage reclaim. Let's go. Baggage reclaim. Welcome to Hong Kong. It's nice to be back after 10 years. Visitors. Ayun, visitors lang. Hong Kong. Visitors. Ang mga Hong Kong residents to eh. So, doon tayo. First time ni tayo sumakay ng train. Train ha? Tayo. Ang bilis. Ang bilis. Bilis po. Papa, ang bilis. Ang bilis tayo. Super fast, no? Yes po, Mama. Bilis tayo. Hold tight. Super fast. First time ni Teng sumakay ng train. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Welcome to Hong Kong.
Guys, ito, we just arrived here. So, try natin mag-withdraw sa Bank of China. Using our go time. English. Here's how will be processed to the international agent network service need. Yes. VPN identification. Again, sorry. Enter. Default. Withdrawal. Enter. There we go. Go time. There we go. And that's $500. Go.
Hi guys! Kaya Hong Kong to eh.
Money ng Hong Kong. That's Hong Kong dollars. Okay, bye-bye na.
Bye!
Bye.
See you! Bye!
Guys, after yung arrival po, dito, dire-diretso lang kayo dito. Alright. Just follow the signs. Ayun, kung magbabas kayo, dito sa side. Ayan. Tapos kung magta-taxi naman, doon na side. So, since magbabas tayo, so, dito tayo sa right side. Okay, let's go. Ayun ang hanggang makarating sa dulo, bus terminus. Hawak na ka. Bus terminus. Okay, may picture ako dun dati. Bus terminus. May picture mo ako. Ah.
Tapos, kakat.